good morning. So for today's video, I just woke up. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how to cook eggs. So this is very simple, but I think I still need to teach you. So if you want to learn, just keep on watching. So ayan na guys, natapos na tayong magluto ng scrambled eggs. That's simple as it is. Ganyan lang yun kasimple ng pagluluto ng scrambled eggs. Pero noon, hindi ko alam eh. Pero ngayon alam ko na. Kaya isi-share ko sa inyo yung mga steps. Kasi sa video ko, sobrang bilis ng ginagawa ko. Kasi nagmamadali rin ako. I was really in a hurry. And during that time, after I finished cooking, I take a bath. And now I'm done. And in this part, I'm going to to explain step by step on how I prepare those ingredients and how I cooked scrambled eggs. So first thing first, we need to prepare the ingredients. The main ingredients of scrambled eggs are, of course, the very first one is egg or eggs, and the next one is seasonings at yung oil, konti lang. Tapos we're going to chop. Nakita niyo naman sa video ko that I sliced the onion and then I prepare the egg. I put it in the bowl and I put seasonings like salt, and you can also put magic syrup, just a little bit. And tansyahin niyo lang yung taste, kung anong gusto niyo yung taste. Kasi yung iba hindi gusto ng mga maalat, diba? And after that, yung apoy ba, i-prepare na ko singan na gasol. And after ako ang gipasiga dayon, pag init-init na sa kaha nga cute ni ako nagbutangan og gamay oil kanang igupon nga wala nay water, kay kung butangan mo og oil ang fan nga nay water, magpisik-pisik siya, so it's not good. You need to let the pan P-A-N man din pista. Imuhas ang ughon ang kaha. Kapuyag Tagalog, kapuyag English. Dayon, ikahuman na tubutangan mo oil nga sakto-sakto ra pud sa imong giluto nga scrambled egg. Ikahuman kung na bukal na ang mantika, ibutang dayon tong imuhang gimix na nga eggs og ingredients. Then after maybe just a minute or half, mo kuan naman to siya, as you can see in the video, naa siya wala siya bitog niluto, nibutok dayon. Okay ra tani mo gamay. Then human ibutang mo, prepare nimo sa plato nya kaunon. Pinaka simple na siya nga lutuon good every morning, especially when you were in a hurry. Usually those persons nga nagtrabaho bitaw na dinalian, or katasang mga bata nga hilig kay egg, dali gid kay mo gito nila madali ang scrambled eggs. Mao nang I teach you on how to prepare it, how to cook, so that you can also follow and you can do the same if you want to. Kasi kaya sa una mong good, syempre akong bisan man akong mga igsoon di kabalong lutog scrambled eggs. Kaalawan jud ba? Yes, that's the fact. Kay balo siguro, pero not step by step nga na yung mga sayop-sayop. So sa akong video kung matanaw mo, maka-learn jud mo. Ginaham mag-learn. Katara bitaw. Thank you.